Have you ever wondered why baby cats or kittens are irresistibly cute? This is no ordinary question, for it takes us on a journey into a world filled with tiny purrs, soft fur, and heart-melting eyes. Welcome to the mystery of baby cats, a phenomenon that has captivated humans for centuries. Cats, in their myriad of shapes, sizes, and colors, have a universal appeal that transcends cultures and borders. But it's their youthful counterparts, the kittens, that truly bewitch us with their irresistible charm. Is it their innocence, their curious eyes, or perhaps their playful antics? Just as the allure of kittens is multifaceted, so too is their journey from birth. A newborn kitten is a marvel of nature. Born blind and deaf, they are the epitome of vulnerability, weighing just around 3.5 ounces, approximately the weight of a lemon. Yet, despite their fragile start, kittens undergo a rapid transformation in their early weeks, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the feline species. By the end of their first week, a kitten doubles its birth weight, an incredible growth spurt that continues for several months. Their eyes begin to open in the second week, revealing their first glimpse of the world. And by the third week, their ears start to stand erect, opening up a whole new world of sounds. As they grow, kittens develop their unique personalities, each one a delightful mix of curiosity, playfulness, and affection. Whether it's chasing after a piece of string, climbing up the curtains, or curling up in your lap for a nap, every action is a new adventure, a new discovery. But what is it about these tiny creatures that tugs at our heartstrings? Is it their vulnerability, their innocence, or their boundless energy? Or is it simply their innate ability to bring a smile to our faces, to make us pause in our busy lives and appreciate the simple joys of life? So let's dive in and explore the captivating world of kittens. For in understanding their journey, we may just uncover the mystery of their irresistible charm. Did you know that a newborn kitten weighs just about 85 grams, roughly the size of a small lemon? Quite fascinating, isn't it? The miracle of life unfolds in the feline world just as it does in ours, marked by wonder, tenderness, and an innate instinct for survival. The birth of kittens, known as queening, is a process that can last anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. A mother cat, or queen, can give birth to a litter of 1 to 8 kittens, each one enveloped in its own amniotic sac. As each kitten arrives, the queen cleans them, severing the umbilical cord with her teeth. It's an instinctive, nurturing act that paves the way for the bond to be formed between mother and offspring. Newborn kittens are tiny, weighing in at around 3 ounces. They're about the size of a small lemon, and their bodies are fragile and delicate. But don't be fooled by their size. These little furballs are born fighters, ready to take on the world. At birth, kittens are both blind and deaf. Their eyes are sealed shut and their ears folded over. They rely entirely on their sense of smell and touch to navigate their immediate surroundings. It's their mother's scent that guides them towards their first meal, and the warmth of her body that provides them with comfort and security. From the moment they're born, kittens start learning from their mother. She teaches them everything they need to know about being a cat, from grooming themselves to using the litter box. It's an education that begins right from birth and continues until they're ready to venture out on their own. The birth of kittens is a testament to the tenacity of life. Despite their tiny size and apparent vulnerability, these little creatures are born with the will and instinct to survive. They begin their journey in this world blind and deaf, yet instinctively they know how to find their mother, how to feed, and how to seek warmth and comfort. It's a big world out there for such tiny creatures, isn't it? They may be small, but kittens are born with a spirit that is nothing short of remarkable. From the moment they enter this world, they're ready to learn, grow, and eventually conquer their little corners of the world. In the first few weeks of their life, kittens are entirely dependent on their mother. These adorable bundles of fur are born into a world of darkness and vulnerability, unable to see, hear, or even regulate their own body temperature. They rely on their mother for warmth, sustenance, and protection. The early days of a kitten's life are marked by rapid growth and development. Within the first week, their weight may have doubled from what it was at birth. By the end of the second week, their tiny ears will start to stand upright and their eyes will begin to open, giving them their first glimpses of the world around them. During their third week of life, kittens start to develop their senses. They begin to hear sounds, smell scents, and even taste flavors. Their tiny teeth start to emerge, preparing them for the solid food they'll start to eat in just a few more weeks. As they approach the end of their first month, kittens begin to explore their surroundings. Their tiny, wobbly steps may not take them very far, but every small journey is a big adventure. Their curiosity is insatiable, and they'll investigate anything and everything within their reach. Around this time, kittens also start to interact with their siblings. They play, wrestle, and chase each other around in an adorable display of feline camaraderie. These playful interactions serve a crucial purpose. They help kittens develop vital social skills and physical coordination. They learn how to communicate, how to establish boundaries, and how to bond with others. These early days are fundamental in shaping the kittens into the cats they will become. They are filled with firsts, first steps, first sights, first sounds, and first tastes. Every new experience is a step towards independence and maturity. And then there's the charm. Oh, the charm. Kittens are not just cute. They are irresistibly, overwhelmingly, heart-meltingly adorable. Their innocent antics and playful mannerisms are a source of joy and laughter. These are the days when kittens start to display their adorable charm. At around 4 weeks old, kittens enter their most playful stage. This is when the real fun begins. It's an exciting phase in a kitten's life, where they truly begin to express their unique personalities and display their innate feline instincts. Their world expands, and every new sight, sound, and texture is a source of joy and fascination. A simple piece of yarn, a crinkly paper ball, or even the movement of your fingers can spark a play session. They're always on the lookout for new adventures, ready to pounce, chase, and wrestle at the drop of a hat. This playful stage is not just about having fun, though. It's also a crucial learning period for these tiny creatures. Through play, kittens learn about the world around them. They experiment with different movements and reactions, learning what works and what doesn't. Every leap, every pounce, every swat of the paw is a part of their education. It's how they learn to coordinate their bodies, gauge distances, and understand their own strength. Each playful tumble and chase is a lesson in physics, biology, and survival. And let's not forget about their hunting instincts. Even though they're domesticated, kittens still carry the DNA of their wild ancestors. Through their playful antics, they're honing their predatory skills. A twitching piece of string becomes a mouse, a bouncing ball becomes a bird. They stalk, they pounce, they capture. It's a game for them, but it's also practice for life. And while they're learning and growing, we get to witness their development up close. We get to share in their joy and curiosity, and marvel at their agility and determination. It's a privilege to be a part of their world during this playful stage. It's a joy to watch kittens at this stage, full of energy and curiosity. Whether they're wrestling with a sibling, chasing a laser pointer, or simply exploring their surroundings, they remind us of the wonder and playfulness that's inherent in all of life. The big question remains, why are kittens so irresistible to humans? Well, it's not just about their fluffy fur, their big eyes, or even their playful antics. There's some science involved too. You see, our brains are hardwired to respond positively to certain features that are commonly found in baby animals, a phenomenon known as baby schema. This includes large eyes, a big head relative to body size, chubby cheeks, and a soft, rounded body shape. These traits trigger an emotional response in our brain that makes us want to nurture and protect them. It's a survival mechanism that ensures we take care of our young, and it extends to other species too, including kittens. So when we see a kitten, our brain instantly recognizes these cute features and floods our system with feel-good chemicals like oxytocin, also known as the cuddle hormone. This reaction is so powerful that it can even lower our heart rate and stress levels, making us feel calmer and happier. It's like nature's own form of stress relief. But baby schema isn't just about making us feel good. It also plays a crucial role in the bonding process between humans and kittens. When we respond positively to a kitten's cuteness, we're more likely to want to care for it and protect it. This bond can be incredibly strong, often lasting for the kitten's entire life. And let's not forget, kittens are not just cute, but they're also curious, playful, and full of energy. These traits are endearing to us too, as they remind us of our own youthful days of exploration and play. So, the irresistible charm of kittens is not just about their playful antics, but also about our biological response to their cuteness. It's a fascinating blend of nature, science, and emotion that draws us to these tiny, furry creatures and makes us want to take them into our homes and our hearts.